This is a new blade with its sharp tips that are crucial to accurate milling. There are no sharp tips on this blade, as they were destroyed by cutting metal. Let's look at the cut after hitting several nails in a row. First, the blade starts chattering and diving, then starts dishing out. This one dished out 1/4 of an inch and dove down 1/2 of an inch. This walnut log has a patch of nails about 4 feet long on one end. We're going to try to saw underneath. If you listen close, you can hear us hit the nails. Here's another example, a different log. This one we had trouble finishing the cut. Just wait till you see it. Notice what happened to the cut and to the blade after hitting this piece of metal. Another problem develops when a blade is at the end of its flex life. Flexing under tension often causes stress cracks that eventually break the band. Re-welding is not an option since the blade is at the end of its useful life, and it usually has more cracks, some of which aren't visible. Most of the time, it's quicker to back out of the cut as in these two examples. Occasionally, though, we have to use an angle grinder to cut the blade for easier removal. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.